This is Passion Drive. In today's story, we follow a young pianist and a wise old man. The wise man teaches the young pianist 5 powerful life lessons. These lessons can change the way you see life. They are full of wisdom and can make you think differently about your own life. So, get ready for an exciting journey as we dive into this inspiring story. In the heart of Vienna, there lived a young man named Franz. Franz was a talented pianist, but he lived a life where he was unnoticed, playing in the back rows of the city orchestra. His dream was to be a soloist, to stand in the spotlight and let his music touch people's hearts. But he was held back by his own doubts and fears. Franz was torn between his dream and his fear of failure. He yearned for the spotlight, but the fear of criticism and rejection held him back. His subconscious mind was like a stormy sea, filled with conflicting desires and fears. This internal conflict kept him stuck in his ordinary life, playing in the back rows, unnoticed and unappreciated. One day, while walking home from work, Franz stumbled upon an old man sitting alone in the park. The old man, seeing Franz's troubled expression, struck up a conversation. He turned out to be a wise man, who had spent his life studying the human mind and its immense potential. Intrigued, Franz shared his dream and his fears with the old man. The old man, with a twinkle in his eye, began to explain the power of the subconscious mind. He told Franz that the subconscious mind operates below our normal level of waking consciousness, controlling our habits, automatic responses, and deep-seated beliefs. He emphasized that it can be influenced by our thoughts and actions. The wise man then shared 5 powerful teachings with Franz to help him master the power of his subconscious mind. The wise man, sensing Franz's readiness to learn, began with the first lesson. Franz, he said, the first step to harnessing the power of your subconscious mind is to clear it. Your mind is like a garden. If it's cluttered with weeds of doubt and fear, there's no room for the seeds of your dreams to grow. You must first clear these weeds to make space for your dreams. You must be clear about what you want. If you're unsure or have conflicting thoughts about your goals, your subconscious mind won't help you achieve them. It's like having a team where only one member is working and the rest are just sitting around. You won't get far that way. So, decide what you want and commit to it fully. No second guessing. Let your dream of becoming a soloist be the only thought that occupies your mind. Nurture this thought, and your subconscious mind will begin to work towards making it a reality. Franz listened attentively, his mind absorbing every word, ready to embark on the journey of clearing his mind. After Franz had grasped the concept of clearing his mind, the wise man moved on to the second lesson. Franz, he began, trust is the foundation of all relationships, and the relationship with yourself is no different. Your subconscious mind is influenced by whether you keep your promises, not by the size of the promise. So start small. Make a promise to yourself and keep it. It could be as simple as practicing an extra hour each day or waking up at dawn to catch the sunrise. When you keep these promises, you send a powerful message to your subconscious mind that you are reliable, that you can be trusted. This trust in yourself builds over time, strengthening your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Remember, Franz, the journey to becoming a soloist begins with trusting yourself to take the first step. Franz nodded, understanding the importance of self-trust, ready to make and keep promises to himself. Having instilled the importance of self-trust, the wise man proceeded to the third lesson. Franz, he said, the words we speak have power, especially the words we speak to ourselves. This is where positive affirmations come into play. They are like fuel for your subconscious mind. They're statements that you repeat to yourself, describing how you want to be. For example, saying I am a successful pianist. My music inspires and moves people. Can help to instill these qualities in your subconscious mind. The key is to phrase these affirmations in the present tense and repeat them regularly, preferably every morning when you wake up and every night before you sleep. Over time, these positive affirmations can help to overwrite any negative beliefs you may have and align your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. Franz listened intently, ready to incorporate positive affirmations into his daily routine. With Franz now understanding the power of positive affirmations, the wise man moved on to the fourth lesson. Franz, he began, visualization is a powerful tool for your subconscious mind. It's not enough to just say your affirmations, you must also visualize them as if they have already come true. Imagine yourself standing on the stage, the spotlight on you, the audience captivated by your music. Feel the joy of achievement, the pride of accomplishment. Let these feelings fill you up, let them become a part of you. Your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. When you visualize your success and feel the emotions associated with it, your subconscious mind will work to turn this visualization into reality. And remember, always celebrate the positive. Each small victory, each step closer to your goal is a cause for celebration. The more you celebrate, the more positive experiences you create, and the more your subconscious mind will work to create more of these experiences. Franz listened, his mind filled with images of success, ready to embrace visualization and celebrate the positive. Having guided Franz through the power of visualization, the wise man then introduced the fifth lesson. Franz, he said, meditation and mindfulness are the keys to maintaining a clear mind and a focused intention. Meditation allows you to quiet the noise of the world and listen to the voice within. It helps you connect with your subconscious mind on a deeper level. Start by dedicating a few minutes each day to sit in silence, focusing on your breath. As thoughts come and go, simply observe them without judgment. This practice will help you develop a sense of inner peace and clarity. Along with meditation, practice mindfulness. Be fully present in each moment, whether you're practicing your music or simply enjoying a cup of tea. Mindfulness allows you to fully engage with your life, to live consciously rather than on autopilot. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, which is crucial in guiding your subconscious mind. Franz, understanding the importance of these practices, was ready to incorporate meditation and mindfulness into his daily routine. Franz started practicing all the lessons as taught by the wise man. But the real test was yet to come. Franz decided to audition for a solo part in the orchestra's next concert. Would he succeed? Would his dream of becoming a soloist come true? The day of the audition arrived. Franz's heart pounded as he stepped onto the stage. As he played his piece, he poured his heart and soul into the music. When he finished, the room erupted in applause. His dream had come true. He had become a soloist, all because he dared to clear his mind, trust himself, and celebrate the positive. Franz's journey was not easy, but by harnessing the power of his subconscious mind, he had achieved his extraordinary dream. He had become a soloist, all because he dared to clear his mind, trust himself, and celebrate the positive. So, what about you? What extraordinary dreams do you have? Remember, just like Franz, you too have the power to turn your dreams into reality.